Thank you so much for the course. I'll start with improvements. So, so I have a lot of improvement on sunlight and daytime, but recently I started to have an improvement in dark conditions. In the morning I wake up, outside is dark, and it's dark in the house, and I see well. I don't turn on light. I do everything possible in these conditions, and I'm very surprised that I see well, way better than like maybe a few months ago. So it's definitely new improvement. Then another, when recently I was driving and I was a passenger, I was without glasses, and I saw a small letters on a car license plate about 15, 20 feet away, which was surprising again. And then I saw a pattern on the jacket about maybe 150 feet away. So those things are coming, appearing, and I know I shouldn't be surprised. it should come, it's just coming back, but it's still very nice feeling. And I would say the biggest improvement, I think, is that I now feel my eyes. If I am tired, I know I need to rest. I need to do palming, blinking, switching, and I'm very fascinated with the energy level because of meditation helps me immediately. Clears out the chart very fast, like within even seconds. I don't know, like 30 seconds. But it also goes away faster. So I don't know how to keep it. I feel something is really here to like expedite improvements.